say. Kapia pena mapotsa mura say. Muza kunge masotwa mura say. Yeah, nini safe go mura say. Tenzi giriba safe side marego mbimbusi. Taka doroba kuzunguchaka mahari tagarero. Joni uzo nyawe karamari wa uroanu nguzu. Uneweze vanu chikamwari. Munu weze mana weze munu weze munu weze 1 2 3 4 to the petera hip-hop suga bafova gomira hip-hop mbinzire kova shootira hip-hop abaspace powder softers adira Bangwasho panochongo dofika mdabirwa. I'm sorry kana maripo vanakatata.
Alright, what's happening my people? What's good? I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. All the way from Pretoria, Silverton. From Plug and Play Music also. In case you don't know me. Tindunzi RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. One DJ Shinorema pa Pretoria. Yes. It's called the 10 Up Saturday. This is the day. Mangoma ese amunoda.
Life ya jodi tinofa sina kumbo vara bamdi. Munofa muzina kumbo zara mani. Tinoda guwe kumbo vara bamdi.
Dagaroa one shot for the first time. Tirpa chungwe teaching nakwa kunge last time. One time for the DJ aga presa number. Aga zoti pulo aga riza kepa.
What you say?
Banu aga jamba. Nema elder aga gat.
Like I say,
tamba.
It's all about Zimhiphop right now.
Time desa wanangua no. Akuna mata.
Rukuro was mangoma zino pisa chete.
Boso dance rigunaga kunge koslo. Dada kuchika pay iwe nasindiri poswo.
Young Gemini. Kakai Bagga. One slender ni moto.
Daroga too much to be honest, that's spagwa. Ndakwenda paten and skuziva ndagadagwa. Daroga too much to be honest, that's spagwa.
What you say?
Ten and skuziva ndagadagwa.
Ndagurova de nana de
nana de nana de.
Rulers, what you say?
Oh.
Dana.
Kana wazorowa ushidena usacheme. Mukupira isti chimedza madenti. Tinoriska zvekutozopenda zerenti. Kutama unge mwana ari kukambaira. Yokumwa unge ndadzipwane.
I was Zimhiphop inonaka boys.
Ari kubuda sweat unge apfa.
If you don't know this song, please just go on YouTube right now, Spotify, iTunes. Check out this track from Young Gemini. Day Nana Day with Rulers. Yeah.
Utiba uda ana fush.
Day Nana Day Nana Day.
Day Nana Day.
Inzwa ndo itainini. Boise.
Day Nana Day.
Boise.
Day Nana Day.
Komana bakuna kuta wo.
What you say?
Komana.
Jump.
Tiriko. Kudambiriyo.
Yeah.
Bati chiniko. Napinzi wako. Henderiko. Kana iriyo. Nanza chiriyo.
Bada kundi risa.
Komana. Bada kundi risa. Komana.
Aiwa boys. Ini ndo nakirwa ini. Nuru nakirwa ere. Come on. What you say? My sexy ladies, where you at? Each and your boys age. Like I said, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. Let's go.
Moto, pargupisa pargurira show. Oh yo, soto. Paneriza vasitira soto.
Wally, come on.
Para undi queen, I'm a dollar sign. Para undi she a nearly traumatized. Makandi ni maficha, mkoma kati titalinga baista, mkoma kai. Panaga shika naga dakisha. Inindaga rimama gatambitwa. Daga Fiman, Daga Bandira.
What you say?
This go easy.
Ukoma holy.
Animiro Shikaman.
Yeah.
Segu Pere Tana Maya Handi. Kopanda Buri Tamaranji.
RYANOBVIOUS, the versatile DJ.
Come on, never could I quit a whoa, whoa.
Mirondo Zandino ita nini? Mirondo Zandino ita.
Jerusalem, Jerusalem.
Ndatichi. Come on.
Jerusalem, Mato Sangala, Jerusalem, yeah. Don't you can't defeat up, I'm Chichiko. Yeah, baby, sorry, Nangiri Physical. And the Terere Kosi.
My fans are Bagga. What you say? My giver.
Money Gita.
Pinirai.
Yes, Minamato, Pindurai, yes. And leave it, and I say, in a yes, Saga Sishu.
Why?
Come on, why? Cause Maria Bataki.
No, man.
Don't cry, yeah. Just said you did not cry. But I put the button that I cut down. But I put the titty such a sat down. But I don't know, I put it cut down.
What you say?
Saga Puka Mauta is the
Yes.
Bobo Vakatakura Mchinjiko. Bagatuna Vakazupunza Mchinjiko. Yeah. Undurima.
What you say? HIPHOP it. Shaku Meka. And the DJ drop. Rigu empty trash.
Okay.
Like I said, guys, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. What's happening to all my G's? Blawayo, what's going down? Let's keep on my fed to Khamban Labo, Luveve.
I'm not the one to try me. If I didn't work, I don't know where would I be. Probably somewhere hating on somebody.
Yes, what you say? A big shout out to all my G's in Harare. Chitungwiza, Headcliff. A big shout out to DJ Sparks. What you say?
Alright, I'm not in need, I'm ready. Put me to the test, let's go get the cash. You put the work in, you don't need a plan B. You don't need to put a thing on IG. Go and get the money for 2019.
Okay, 4-0 halftime. Daga win. Spaghetti in my pipeline.
Like I said, guys, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. This is how we do it. It's called the Zimhiphop edition. Turned up for Saturday. What you say? Yeah. Bling 4.
Okay, 4-0 halftime. Daga win. Spaghetti in my pipeline. Daga ting. It must have my bad mind. They must swing.
Yes.
This is the advertise line. Swagatinha. This guy is. Gonna uru meru takuti. Mira kujaja mwari ngano tisa ite. Mano se sis ando rivaiza. Goskirire mu